And tasty, wow.
You good?
I love them.
Really good.
Yeah.
Guys, really nice.
Oh, banana leaves. Oh my god.
Okay, some people like to eat more salty, but we like to eat like.
They call it
So good.
with all the different.
बस हो गया.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
उत्तराखंड अपनी प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य के लिए जाना जाता है। साथ ही उत्तराखंड अपनी संस्कृति परंपरा के लिए भी विश्व विख्यात है। अगर उत्तराखंड के खान पान की बात करें तो उत्तराखंड का जो खान पान है वो देश ही नहीं विदेश में भी काफ़ी पसंद किया जाता है। आज हम देहरादून के इटारना क्षेत्र में मौजूद हैं। यहाँ पर हम पहाड़ी ओरा में रुके हुए हैं। यहाँ पर जो विशेष अतिथि पहुँचे हुए हैं विदेश से, आज वो हमारे साथ यहाँ पर मौजूद है। जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं वो आज पहाड़ की जो कद्दू की सब्ज़ी होती है, जो खट्टा मीठा कद्दू होता है, उसे बनाना सीखना चाह रहे हैं। जिसके लिए यहाँ पर जो पहाड़ी ओरा को संचालित करते हैं मनीष रावत आज अपने गेस्ट को सिखाएंगे कि पहाड़ी खट्टा मीठा कद्दू कैसे बनाया जाता है। तो हमारे साथ जो स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं, फिनलैंड से वलेरिया है, इटली से हमारे साथ ईरान है और साथ ही जोनाथन है इंग्लैंड से।
तो कद्दू की सब्ज़ी बनने की तैयारी शुरू हो गई है, जिसमें हमने जो पाउडर लिया है, लाल मिर्ची ली है, हल्का मसाला लिया है और धनिया और जीरे का तड़के के लिए लिया है। साथ ही हींग का तड़का लगेगा। नमक लिया है जो स्वाद अनुसार डाला जाएगा। साथ ही 2 हरी मिर्ची। जो तड़का मुख्यतः बनेगा वो घी में बनेगा। तो ये कद्दू हमारा उबल के तैयार हो गया है और काफ़ी गर्म है, तो इसे हम थोड़ा देर ठंडा होने देंगे। उसके बाद हम जो इसके मोटे छिलके हैं वो निकाल देंगे। जो इसका सॉफ्ट पार्ट है उसकी हम जो खट्टी मीठी हमारी कद्दू की सब्जी बनने वाली है।
Today we are cooking pumpkin that we call kaddu, and especially we cook this pumpkin in Pahadi. We are Uttarakhandi people in Pahadi style, and mainly we cook this kind of pumpkin. It's called like sweet and sour taste. Mainly when we have some worship ritual and big worship like puja, like we had yesterday Shivratri. Okay, so you guys know now what things this have. This is ghee, salt, asafoetida, coriander, cumin, garam masala. This contains turmeric, and this is all mixed powder like turmeric, black pepper, this kind of things. Okay. Red chili, this is mango powder, jaggery, and dried amla, and boiled pumpkin. This one is already boiled. Okay. So whenever we cook food in the fire, Agni, we always show respect, like offer the greeting to the Agni. It's like a show respect and with the namaste. Like thank you for the because the Agni is going to cook our food, fire, everything. Okay. After that, we put the iron kadai there, and you can see it's already like very hot and black. Okay. So little less flame, and after that we are putting the ghee on that. Okay. Okay, after that, so in Pahadi style we cook like pumpkin with the red chilies.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is like the optional, because normally like we suggest to don't use like the red chilies in the food because it burns the intestine and not good for your digestion. But here we are using we are not breaking it, so we are not going to all the red chilies there, but just a little texture. So how we are adding it? We are putting it first like this.
And then you remove it.
Yeah, and then we are going to remove it, and then later we are going to add it. If someone like to have the red chili, they can have this one. Yeah. Otherwise, it's like those who don't want, they are going to have the green chilies.
So, but what does do the red chili?
The red chili, it burns the intestine.
Okay.
The green chilies are good for our digestion and also for our eyesight.
Oh,
okay. Little is okay, like, but in every food that it's not good for to eat like red chili is okay. So what we are doing, we make it like a brownish. You see, it changed the color, and we took it out.
So you had it in for very short time.
Yeah, because our ghee is like the kara is very warm, so that's why it become very quick. Okay. After that, we are going to add jeera, coriander, cumin. Okay. So we put. And always from the inside, you are very peaceful, very calm, very happy. You know, when you're cooking your food, you can keep your mantras inside and just calm and peace. Keeping this connection alive with the food all the time. Okay. Here, once it's a bit brown and dark, we add the hing. I want you to go a little more back. So it should be very, we are not going to pour it from above, otherwise you can get the ghee in the food, so it's very gentle. So, but always you have to be very gentle with your food. Doesn't matter how hard you are going sometimes, but with the love, you know, we are sharing the love with the food.
You can then feel when you eat it.
Yeah.
Achieve with the pumpkin. It's very cooked.
Yeah, I want to mash it and like mash it very fine, and mix with all the ingredients we put like very well.
So you can add more water and boil it down.
Okay, some people like to eat more salty, but we like to eat like not so much salt, so we are adding little. Okay. And then this is like the masala here.
Oh, guys, I'm so happy that I'm here.
Yeah, good. Me too.
Oh, my bird. Yeah. But it's not me, Mom. That's random. I it was so beautiful. I lifted in my head to see you around.
That's why it was your first question, like, why you guys came here? How you find it like so far?
Yeah.
And you said, ask something. The first question when we are up, like, why you came so up, like something like this.
But because it's not easy to get here.
Yeah.
The taxi driver that is from here. I couldn't find it, you know.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can from here to Rishikesh. It's not that far
No, because
it's over the mountain.
Okay.
Yeah,
You have to go around it.
you have to go. Yeah, thank you.
I always have the smile even way. Because all these cars on the opposite side, we have to go everywhere, so that's the time.
Was he just a driver that you found in town? Or?
There's someone that, I asked him.
Yeah. Looking good.
Yeah. Some of these ingredients are like
Good.
Yeah.
Jaggery.
Very good jaggery.
oh, this is the secret. I don't usually use sugar. I don't use the sugar, but she does. And I think take jaggery is much better than.
Jaggery is much better.
Yeah. It has so many minerals. I didn't realize. I read on the back of the package.
It's better than honey.
Honey is good.
Different properties.
Yeah, depends where the bees and who harvested. But honey from what? Yeah, I know. Even
But the honey is very, very good.
yeah,
It's very good.
it's the food that's good.
It absolutely it is. It's like get it in balls like this.
Yeah.
But so if you get to the Rishikesh market, it's good.
Yes. It's almost ready.
Because one we had last night was really dark.
Yeah, it was like more good on that. We will test if it will need like more sweet or not.
And now the green
Don't.
Now the green coriander.
I mean, chip.
Harry Merch.
Harry Merch.
Hari marriage.
Hari is Vishnu.
Hari.
We are adding, normally they add in like Pahadi Kaddu. So this is just for the taste. If you like to eat like chili, you can have this one. Otherwise, you can also take it out if you don't want.
It's not simple thing.
Because it's not used to spicy food after the cook.
Sorry?
I agree.
It's irritating.
Well, that's why in Delhi I think that's the best.
Yeah, it's irritating.
There was some class.
You've got to be careful with that. It's like alkaline.
Muchav as in.
Okay, once we made the kaddu, we can have like, first they always offer to the god. From the internal health, you can always offer. So here's the Agni, the god, so that's why we offer the god first. And then we can taste like if it needs more salt or a bit of sour or sugar, okay?
So you just give it to the god first?
Yeah, and then after that we can taste.
Yeah. I love that.
You can smell the coriander.
From there.
From the kaddu.
From the kitchen. Oh, I didn't even notice. I was like, oh, I can really smell the coriander, but they're coriander seeds.
Meetha, M-E-E-T-H-A.
E-E.
Wow, it's really very good.
Khatta Meetha, that's sweet sour.
Yeah.
I love them. Leaves, the banana leaves. Oh my god. It's very good already.
Like in South India, when you have the meal, they call it,
So good.
with all the different chutneys.
And tasty. Wow.
You good?
Check karo.
Wow.
That's huge. No, it's difficult for my
All of you are cooking.
Yeah.
I like that.
Could you put cashews in this as well?
This we did. You can toast and take it out, and later you can.
And then you put it on top of it and the
That is really good.
Yeah.
No, it's really, really nice.
Oh, smell now the coriander.
Yeah,
Ah.
not coming from there.
Yeah, they're like in the right next to you.
Cutting out into small pieces.
Valeraji, a little more fire.
You in charge of the fire? Of the fire?
This is how you do it. You go run. Lingabucha.
Yeah.
Run is the beat.
No, the one is in the house.
Hanuman is Manipura.
No, yeah. I thought it was.
Oh yeah, talking about Rama.
बस हो गया.
हो गया.
Yeah.
वो कद्दू बनकर तैयार हो गया है। और इससे पहले जो आपने देखा कि मनीष रावत ने तीनों जो हमारे विशेष यहाँ पर मेहमान पहुँचे हुए हैं उन्हें कद्दू बनाना सिखाया। तो कद्दू काफ़ी बेहतर बना है, इसके जो खुशबू है काफ़ी बढ़िया आ रही है। हम इसका बस खाने का वेट कर रहे हैं।